Yo, what's up? I want to show you something. I want to show you the benefits of printing 1440 by 1440 over 1440 by 720. Watch. Alright. See that image right there? This one, the highlighted one. That image is, see, 736 pixels, right? That's the dimension. That's how big this picture is. Here's one that I designed. That image is, let me get it back. Let me get it up. See that? 4,000, right? Pixels. That's how big an actual 300 pixel that pixel density, that 300 PDI, PPI, whatever that is, that pixel density thing, pixel per inch, pixels per inch, that 300 pixel per inch, that's how big your pictures usually be. It's over 4,000 pixels. Alright, that one's 700, the one that I printed, the one that I showed you. Let me show you again. That one, 700, right? I'll show you 700. One that I created, it's 4,000. Here's another one I created, 6,000. All right, and you starting to get the gist, right? Massive designs, designs that's 300 pixels per inch. 300 pixels per inch. They're huge images. They're just huge. Alright? Now that's a tiny image. The one that I printed. I got that off the internet. I just want to show you something. It's not my image. I didn't create it. I just downloaded it from Pinterest. It's not my image. It's somebody else's image. I just downloaded it. And no, I'm not selling it. I do not rip people's images off because there's a lot of work that goes into these things. And I'm not an artist. So I try not to rip off people's work. I don't sell their work. I design stuff myself. If I can't design it, I try to find it and I buy it. Okay? I literally pay for it. I don't like to rip off people's work because there's a lot of work to go into these things. When I try to design stuff, I'm like, holy mess. These people really do a lot of work. So I try not to rip their try to rip them off. I do everything in my power not to rip them off. I don't do it. Alright? I copy it off the net and I give it away. I don't sell it. If I find it, I purchase it. If I need to sell it, that's what I do. I purchase it. I purchase a license to sell it. Do not rip people's work off. There's a lot that goes into these things. Hold on. And because I don't have a shop, I don't purchase anything. Because I don't sell anything. I really don't purchase it. 90% of what I do is what I make. Okay? I don't sell none. I design everything. And the stuff that I do get off the net is I have a site that I use and I pay for that subscription. That's where I get my stuff from. So the one I said I don't purchase stuff is because I have a site that I go to that purchases a subscription, and everything at that site I get it as part of that subscription. So I don't steal people's stuff. I just download it and it's a part of my subscription. So I don't steal anything. I just get it and it has a commercial license, so I can actually sell what I get off that website. So no, I don't steal stuff. It's a lot of work. It really is a lot of work. So, but what I want to show you, and this stuff I'm actually giving it away, so that's why I downloaded it and I'm gonna print it, and it's for some kids. So watch this. Remember how tiny that image is? Look at this. Does that look pixelated to you? Not a pixel in sight. Look at that. Usually you print the image off the net, right? You can get it comes out pixelated, right? You can't get them to look like this. Alright, here's another one. Does that look pixelated to you? Not a pixel in sight. Here's another one. Look at that. Not a pixel in sight. Did it look pixelated to you? And these are all tiny, tiny images. That's 10 inches. That's 10 inches. Oh, I want to show you something cool. See this border right here? This border was actually done in Cadlink. You can actually put borders in the images in Cadlink. I'm gonna show you the original picture. This was done in Cadlink. Alright, you can do this in Cadlink. Now what I'm trying to show you is what Cadlink is capable of. This is not me. This is not some hardcore stuff. I'm just trying to show you. I'm not affiliated with Cadlink. Cadlink don't know exists. Again, this is just me helping you pick the right program. I can't stand by and watch people waste their money on dumb stuff. You're wasting your money on AccuRip, and then I don't know, but I just know about AccuRip. I know AccuRip is one of them programs where you're just wasting your money. I've never used any other ones apart from the other one that I got when I bought my printer, my printer, and it's in my printer video. If you look at that printer, that software is like almost identical to AccuRip, and those two programs will just waste of money. And I haven't used, and there's other RIP programs, but I haven't used them, and I don't know what they're capable of. But for right now, Cadlink is the showstopper. See them images? Tiny, tiny images. Blow up. 0 pixels. Cadlink did that. Not me. Cadlink. I didn't take that. That wasn't photoshopped. That wasn't anything. All I did with those images was crop them. That was about it. When I mean crop them, I literally removed the white borders around them, and that's it. I just literally removed the white and saved them as a PNG. That's it. That's all I did. I didn't resize them. I didn't blow them up. I didn't anything. I just took the white out and then just hit save. That's it. And then Cadlink did the rest. Yes, Cadlink. And the border, let me show you the original picture. I want to show you the original picture real quick. Put this around. There it is. Let me show it to you. Oh, come on, back up. There's the original picture. See? No border. There's no border on that. See that? Cadlink put that border. This border in that image. Yeah. Cadlink got some serious skills. So if you buy anything but other than Cadlink, you wasting your money. If there's another program that can do stuff like this, I don't know about it. And if there's a manufacturer that think their program is better than Cadlink, y'all, I'm willing to try it. Send me your video, send me your program. I will test it out, and if it's better than Cadlink, I'll recommend it. But for right now, Cadlink is the showstopper. Alright, peace. Oh, P.S. Part I didn't tell you. If you print that, I might have did, I probably didn't, but I just want to remind you. That's not also Cadlink. You also need your printer to be printing at 1440 by 1440. Yes. So if your printer ain't printing 1440 by 1440, you ain't getting that pretty print. you ain't doing big boy things around here. You're doing childish things. You ain't gonna get it looking that good. Alright? Just an FYI. So that's Cadlink coupled with your printer printing 1440 by 1440. You need that. If you ain't got that, you're on your own, because this boy ain't going back to 720. That's the superiority of printing 1440 by 1440. You ain't getting that out of 720. I tell you that right now, because I tried that same stunt with 720 and it didn't look nothing like that. And that's a promise. It came kinda-ish close-ish, but it's still pixelated. a little bit. Nothing to write home about, but you could still see it. But that 1440 by 1440, you saw it. You saw it. All right. Peace.